Hello, and welcome to the next episode in the tutorials we're doing of the new Brass Bands England website. So if you haven't seen our previous episodes, we showed you how to join or renew your membership, create an account, log in, create a band profile, update your band's vacancies, and manage your membership. If you want to go back and watch those videos, you can do so at the moment by going to our website, bbe.org.uk, and the main feature on the homepage is a link straight to those videos. So today I'm going to talk about our partnership with Making Music, what they do, and how you can use that to benefit your band. So to find out a bit more about this, if you go to our website, we've got some navigation buttons across the top here. If you click on what we do, uh, then you can see a list, and this is a list of things that we do at Brass Bands England to help you and your bands. But today we're going to look at this one here, Making Music Affiliate Membership. So when you join Brass Bands England, you automatically get affiliate membership of Making Music. Now, Making Music are a very large organisation that support amateur music making of all types in the UK. So they work with orchestras, choirs, you name it. They'll have a member who does that kind of music. Now, from our website, if you scroll down on here, so remember we've clicked on Making Music Affiliate Membership. This has got some information about the things that will be most useful to bands. Including things like the group insurance. So this has got some very competitive policies. Some bands have even saved hundreds of pounds on their renewal already. But there's much more that Making Music can offer bands. There's resources on key issues, copyright, guides, how to use social media, that kind of thing. There's a database of music, although not a huge amount of brass band music at the moment, but as more bands start to use these services, I'm sure that will change. Then there's other things like the orchestral tax relief service. So if you're a band that spend a lot of money advertising your contests and concerts, you could be receiving some money back from HMRC, and they'll help you do that. And then we've got things like PRS, music license fee services, that kind of thing. So to start using the Making Music, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a link here that says activate it on our website. So if you click on that, that will take you through to Making Music's website. Now, this is a special page for Brass Band England members, with some specific um, services that we've negotiated. So one that's particular to brass bands is the insurance. Now, bands tend to own a lot more in terms of instruments and music than your average amateur music group. So with Making Music, we've developed a special brass policy. Now, this should cover an average band that own a full set of instruments, have some music, some um, uniforms and that type of thing. And then you also need public liability, and that's all included in the brass policy. And you can find a bit more about that if you click on this big red button that says more about insurance, and that takes you through to the special insurance that we've got for Brass Band England members. And there's different levels, including the specialist brass policy. But I'm going to go back now to our affiliate member page. And then right at the bottom there's a second big red button, and that says activate your membership. So you'll need to click this both to buy insurance, but also to start using Making Music's other services. And this just takes you through to a quick form that will allow you to get set up on Making Music's website. And if you've started to use the Brass Band England website, you'll see that there's a lot of overlap because we've been developing the website in partnership with Making Music as well. So the first question you're asked is, do you want to take out an insurance policy? Either yes or no. So it doesn't matter what you do at this point. If you say no, but you want to take out an insurance policy later, you can do so. So for now, I'll click no, and then you get a new button that says activate your membership. And that will take you through to a quick form for you to fill out. I'm already logged in, which is why you get these messages here. But if you're new to the site, you'll be able to just fill this out yourself. And you're asked these details because we don't share anything other than your basic data with Making Music um, directly. So that that takes you through to there. Once you're ready, you can log on, and that will take you through to the home page. So if I go back to the top, and we'll click on the home page. Now again, you'll see, similar to the Brass Band England website, there's a link to your dashboard. You can see I'm logged on here. If you were to look at my dashboard, it's very similar. You've got some of the same buttons, and but you'll also be able to look at your insurance policies in here as well. So what else do Making Music offer? Well, they've got some bars at the top here that take you to some of their core things. So they have some resources. Now they've got some featured resources. So these are some help with funding, look at DBS checks, although for Brass Band England members, you can get those for free through Brass Band England. The Music Bank and Find a Group if you fancy partnering up with a samba band or something like that for a special event. That might be something that's useful for bands to set up a collaboration. But if you're looking for something really specific, you've got a search here. Let's have a look at, there's Making Music affiliate membership popped up as something that I've looked for. But let's have a look for some social media help. Type that in, and I've applied that. There we go. We've got some search results for things that talk about social media. And here's a starter article on people that are just looking at social media for the first time, and it's a guide to some of the most commonly used social media, and how they can benefit your band, and also some help over what to think about when you're setting yourself up. So that's one type of thing that the Making Music Partnership can offer you. They also then have some events. Now, at the top here, we've got Making Music events. Now, these are events organised by Making Music themselves. But further down, we've got events that are run by members of Making Music themselves. And Brass Band England members can get their events listed here as well for free, simply by creating an event in your members dashboard area, in a very similar way to how you can on the Brass Band England website. There's also get involved, so this is how to create projects, work with people, get funding. So lots of things for people to do there. And finally, there's some space for campaigns and advocacy, and this is something that Brass Bands England and Making Music are working together on. And for those that are listening to this at the end of 2018, both of us are currently supporting a petition to the government for free music instrument lessons in all schools in the UK. So if you're listening to this while that petition's still live, please go and sign up on that petition so that we can try and make a difference. So I'm going to leave it there for today, but thank you for watching our video, and I'll be back next month with something new on the Brass Band England website. Bye now.